Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the highly anticipated successor in Insta360's 360-degree camera lineup. With rumors flying about a 2024 release, this camera is already creating buzz in the content creator and filmmaker communities. In today's video, we'll explore everything we know so far about the Ace Pro 2, what we can expect in terms of upgrades, and how Insta360 plans to set a new standard in 360-degree film technology. Insta360 has made waves in the world of immersive content with its revolutionary cameras that allow creators to capture the world from every angle. The Insta360 Ace Pro established itself as a leading player in 360-degree video technology, offering stunning image quality, excellent stabilization, and creative shooting modes. With that in mind, the Ace Pro 2 is expected to take things to an entirely new level in 2024. One of the most exciting rumors about the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is that it could feature a major sensor upgrade, pushing the boundaries of 360-degree video quality. While the previous model already supported impressive 6K resolution, the Ace Pro 2 could take it even further with 8K 360 video recording. Another area where we expect the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 to shine is in low-light performance. The Ace Pro was already capable in challenging lighting conditions, but the Ace Pro 2 is rumored to feature an even larger sensor, enabling it to capture vibrant, detailed footage even in dimly lit environments. If you've ever used an Insta360 camera, you know that their stabilization technology is second to none. The FlowState Stabilization feature on the Insta360 Ace Pro allowed creators to capture smooth shake-free footage even while moving. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way we capture and edit content, and Insta360 is leading the charge with its AI-powered features. The Ace Pro 2 will likely build upon this technology. Critical aspect of any camera is battery life, and the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to offer significant improvements in this area. The previous model provided decent battery performance, but as creators demand more from their cameras, extended shooting time is essential. Rumors suggest that the Ace Pro 2 could feature a larger, more efficient battery, allowing for longer recording sessions without interruption. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is expected to offer a rugged, waterproof design, making it the perfect companion for underwater and outdoor shooting. As virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, continue to grow in popularity, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 could cater to this trend with built-in VR and AR capabilities. While there's no official announcement yet, rumors suggest that we could see a mid-2024 release. Given the advanced features expected in the Ace Pro 2, it's likely to come with a premium price tag, potentially starting around $599. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the Insta360 Ace Pro 2.